Welcome back to another Windows Wednesday. I'm Bob for Bob's Computer Service. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Narrator Screen Reader in Windows 11. Narrator is a built-in tool that reads text and interface elements aloud to help you navigate your PC, especially useful for people with low vision or who prefer keyboard control. First, we're going to go to Start and Settings, or Windows key I. On the left-hand side, we're going to go to Accessibility and then Narrator. And here are all your narrator settings. You can custom, and this is all stuff we're going to customize first. First, you can choose your voice, which you can have Microsoft David or any of the other different voices. Some are male, some are female. You can adjust the levels of pitch and volume and verbosity, which will decide how much detail the narrator reads, like punctuation, hints, or control types. It even has keyboard layout, caps lock behavior, and startup options. And take a minute to review the different preferences and turn it to what you want before you start. And then when you're ready, you can just turn on narrator right here and press Control to stop it from reading. You can also start narrator by doing Windows, Control, and Enter all at the same time. And that's it. It's super easy and very helpful in low level light, or you have vision problems, or you just like using the keyboard. If you like this tip or like others, feel free to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next Windows Wednesday.